Alright, this is on the 2-boxer for 2012 NT. Just did a draft on it here. So here's our rundown. We've got Fisherman with the Colts, Kenny Hasty with the Redskins, Gregerson with the Seahawks, Colby with the Dolphins, BBK Niners, Randy Broncos, Cali West Browns, Dr. Feelgood Giants, XOXO plus 13 more of those, 69 with the Packers, Packer Bob Cowboys Ravens, BBC Rams Bucks, Kenny Hasty Vikings, Zep Bears, Cali West Lions and Eagles, Zep Jets, Kenny Hasty Saints, BBC Raiders, Colby Titans, Brandon Jags, Packer Bob Bengals, XO times 15, 69 with the Pats, Cali West Panthers and Cardinals, Mufasa with the Bills, BBK Steelers, Colby Owl, Falcons, Gregerson Texans, XOXO 69 with the Chiefs, and Fisherman with the Chargers. Alright, good luck everybody. So this is just a 2-boxer here. Finished up the cases last night. Good luck everybody. Not a freshman trout. This is just the last two. These were singles I had picked up. Whoa. Alright, here we go. Box 1. Best of luck, everybody. Thanks for making this happen. Another late night. Oh, shoot. You know what? I just noticed it's 3 a.m. It might be time for some 3 a.m. mojo. 3 a.m. is the time to break. Good luck, everybody. Got a pretty Kirby card in here. I don't know what this is about. Alright, just a little 2-boxer here. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. We've got, for the Bills, Bruce Smith. And for the Jets, Sean Green. And for the Chiefs, Priest Holmes, Century Legends Parallel. Priest is number 14 to 25. Other two both numbered to 99, of course. First hit of the break. For the Ravens, we got a Flacco franchise favorite, one color. Jersey 94 of 99. Ravens first hit. Second hit for the Titans, this is going to be pink. Eddie George, Century Legends, one color, 41 of 99. I think all these are pink for the Titans. All of them I've seen anyway. Next up, NFL Gear. Justin Blackman, 3-color patch and ball. Blackman is going to be number 34 of 49. On to the Jags. Rookie auto for the Jets. We've got Demario Davis. First auto of the break. Going to the Jets, 86 and 99. PC action there. Zip. Rookie auto black parallel for the Dolphins. Rashard Matthews should be numbered to 25. 17 to 25 going to the Dolphins. There is a redemption coming up, Adrian. Next card, actually. So we got a Colossal Pro Bowl, 2-color So we'll go to the Broncos, Elvis Doomerville. 12 of 49. Three cards to go from box 1. Here's the redemption you asked for. Rookie signature materials silver. So RPA number to 99. Alright, let's see who it is. It's Mohamed Sanu for the Bengals. There we go. Rookie Sig Material Silver 316 Mohamed Sanu RPA. 2 to go. Box 1. Rookie Colossal Jersey number Ruben Randall for the Giants. Dr. Feelgood with the Giants. Ruben Randall, 43 of 50. And last card of box 1. Good luck, everybody. It's going to be going to a PC team. Joe Montana for the Chiefs. Just joking. Man, why'd you have to come back, Tyler? I could have kept your spot and taken them for myself. Congrats, man. Got a Joe Montana Century Materials. It's number 8 of 15. Joe Montana. Alright, that ends box 1. Yeah, me too, man. I'll chase the Niners a lot in NC for that and Jerry Rice. Steve Young's not bad either, of course, but no, I can't give Montana to KC. I think I was gonna give him to the Bucks probably. I don't think this is a book. Alright, it's just a 2-box break, so this is the last box of the break already. Good luck, everybody. I'm hitless so far. Cardless with 3 teams, I think. Oh, but that just changed because I got me a Tim Brown base card. 73 and 99. Wow, he lost both of them. That's horrible. For the Giants, Akeem Nicks. 87 of 99 base. Up next, we've got a Gladiator for the Panthers, Joe Adams. Gladiator should be numbered to 15, I believe. 15 of 15. Anybody got a Doug Martin one of these? Been looking for one. Vikings, Christian Ponder, Century Materials, 1 color. No problem. Yeah, those are kind of tough to hit, man. I don't see the Gladiator stuff come out too often. They're only numbered to 15. They're nice cards, man. Anyway, this is Christian Ponder is 30 of 99. NFL Gear 2-piece. Mohamed Sanu again. 2 Sanu hits. Yeah, I wish they would have autoed the Gladiators. That'd be sick. Bobby Mitchell. Nice for the Browns. Bobby Mitchell. 63 of 99. This camera's really not focusing tonight. I'm sorry, guys. That was 63 of 99. And we've got Bill Bentley for the Lions, 1 of 99. This card's scratched up. I've seen a few of these lately. There's Get the camera right. See where it says born? There's like a scratch going through it. I'm seeing kind of a lot of NT stuff like that lately. Oh, I want to see. Yeah, I want to see that, Danny. That looks pretty funny. All right, rookie auto for the Raiders. Oh, boom, Jerron Kreiner. It's gonna be 3/99. Kreiner. Got 1, 2, 4 cards to go. We do have another redemption hanging out in this box. Got a quad. Oh, nice. 2 tags, 2 balls. Nick Foles for the Eagles. It's going to be 7/15. Nick Foles. 3 to go. Here's the redemption. Redemption is, there we go. Rookie signature material silver, Joe Adams. Another RPA redemption. This one's for Joe Adams, Panthers. Yeah, he needed an auto on that Foles, man. Alright, 2 cards to go. 2 cards to go. For the Saints, Virtuoso, Darren Sproles. Sproles going to be jersey number 43/50. 43/50 on the Darren Sproles, number 43. eBay 101. Alright, last card of the break already. Thanks again, everybody. Good luck. RPA, third one of the 2 boxes. 2 were redemptions, though. This guy, all the time. Kendall Wright. Not a bad one. 2-color Kendall Wright RPA. To wrap it up. 3/99. Had a Joe Montana, Darren Sproles jersey number. 3 RPAs out of 2 boxes. Not too bad. And that's it. Alright, thanks everybody.